How do I activate my Xfinity account on Roku?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to activate your Xfinity account on Roku. If you're looking to access your Xfinity content through your Roku device, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to successfully activate your Xfinity account on Roku. So let's get started.
Creating a Roku account.
The first step is to ensure you have a Roku account. If you already have one, you can skip this section. If not, follow these steps to create a Roku account. 1. Connect your Roku device to your TV and power it on. 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language and connect to the internet. 3. Write down the displayed activation code that appears on your TV screen. Now that you have a Roku account set up, let's move on to activating your Xfinity account.
Activating Xfinity on Roku.
To activate your Xfinity account on Roku, you need to follow these steps. 1. Open a web browser on your computer or smartphone. 2. Go to the Xfinity activation website. You can find the URL in the video description or search for Xfinity Roku activation. 3. Sign in to your Xfinity account using your Xfinity username and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on the Create an Account option. 4. Enter the activation code that you obtained from your Roku device when prompted on the Xfinity activation website. 5. Click on the Activate or Submit button to initiate the activation process.
Linking Xfinity and Roku.
After you've completed the activation process, it's time to link your Xfinity account to your Roku device. Here's what you need to do. 1. Ensure your Roku device is powered on and connected to the internet. 2. Launch the Xfinity Stream app on your Roku device. If you don't have the app installed, you can find it in the Roku channel store. 3. Sign in to your Xfinity account using your Xfinity username and password within the Xfinity Stream app on Roku. 4. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your Xfinity account to Roku. Congratulations! You've successfully activated your Xfinity account on Roku and linked the two together. Now you can enjoy your favorite Xfinity content directly through your Roku device. That wraps up this tutorial on how to activate your Xfinity account on Roku. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming with Xfinity on Roku.